Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my dirty shop with my piece of crap car. So today I wanted to be talking about the PCV system and basically how to plumb up your catch can. So we got classic eBay catch can, HKS knockoff. Those are just stickers. You know the vibes. Anyways, we are going to be talking about how to plumb one, why you're plumbing it, where you're plumbing it, and the differences on the models. So I have a 2004, it's a Generation 3 5.3 with Corvette accessories on it. And on this generation, you have the PCV in the rear basically built into the cover. On Gen 4, it's going to be inline. Actually, I might have that backwards. Let me check. So on Generation 3, your PCV is going to be run inline, and then on Generation 4, you are going to have the PCV plug back here, which will have a really tiny hole through it, and that's how it's going to regulate the pressure. So this is going to be our dirty air. So this is going to be recycled air going into the catch can, and then we will have dirty air going out of the catch can to the bottom of the throttle body to be reused in the combustion cycle. This is going to be our clean air, which will see vacuum from the top of the throttle body, and that will pull our air, our clean air. And as far as the little plugs back here, that's going to be our coolant ports, and we don't really want to use those, at least I don't. So yeah, that's basically how to set up a catch can. Pretty easy. And if you have one of the plugs on the back, I would just block that off. I wouldn't use it. So yeah, that's it. That's how to install a catch can on a 5.3 or an LS. Pretty damn easy. You don't need all the, oh, my food's done. Oh, that was quick. So yeah, you don't need a $200 setup. This will be fine. Just something with some good baffling, and yeah, run the lines effectively. Make sure you use clamps, and if you're using boost, this is pretty much a must. Don't blow your dipstick out of your motor. All right, peace.